guys, today we're going to fixing the alphabet for you. Fixing the alphabet.
Nakunin mo nga yung pagsasaban niya. Bakit? Dito ikaw na lang.
Ako na. Two families. The acid in the fixing the alphabet.
Rem, hey Tep, let's go. You want to swim? Tara, let's go.
Oh!
No, hubad ka, swimming. You want to swim? Wait. Go, wait. No, I can manage.
Wait lang mga
Huwag na. Mati ka pa. Hihintay lang ako. Rem, magsiswimming sila.
The acid for 6 of fixing the alphabet. Guys, and
All goods lang, all goods.
Tep, ha?
Mahirap na eh, baka magastos ko pa eh.
You want to swim? Oh. Hubad ikaw.
Baka ganun na. Yeah.
Wow. You want to swim?
Pag hindi na pumunta, hindi ko sa lahat mo. Okay, kayo dito?
here we go.
Ano dyan? Kakainin.
Start the picture. And hockey.
Agad na. Doon
ka.
Doon.
Pussy.
You want to swim?
Guys, to the area. Let's go. It's time. Stop fixing the alphabet.
Tara, let's swim. Oh, pause muna.